Today, I want to share a little bit about my story and my current mission to try and inspire you that you don't have to have it all figured out right now when you're trying to grow your business. For the last 17 years, really, I would admittingly say I struggled. I worked behind the scenes. I was never the front face of a big brand. I was never super active on social media. Even when it came to the gym that I was running, I always deemed my wife as the people person, and she was the one that was the face of the company. She was the one that I thought people would rather see than myself. I had a lot of self-doubt around my abilities to really make it as that front-facing kind of hero of the journey, and if I could make it, and if people really actually cared what I had to say. About 60 days ago, this year really specifically, I really wanted to change that. I really wanted to change that dialogue. And at times, I really do still struggle, but instead of acting like an expert, I made the decision that I'm going to build my own success story, and I'm going to use this so that I can tell the story of how I did it to inspire others that felt the same way that I did. We get so caught up in trying to figure it all out, thinking we need to know it, we need to have the answers, we need to know our unique mechanism and our unique positioning inside the market and how we're differentiated from everybody else out there. And the truth of it is there's no way that we can know it all. There's no way that the same that we're going to be today is going to be the same as we are in a year from now. We're always evolving anyways. So instead of trying to figure it all out, we just need to start. So I decided that I was going to manufacture my own unique positioning in the market. I'm going to create success so that I can tell the story, and that's where I'm gonna, put my flag in the sand. It may change in 2 years from now, but that's what I'm rolling with right now because I am documenting this journey, and because of what I'm doing, because of my mission, because of my commitment to it, I've seen some successes. And I have also had the ability to document what I'm doing, and I've also received a lot of messages from people showing how I have inspired them to get started. So what I'm doing is I'm not trying to act like the expert. I'm not saying this is how you do it. I'm trying to take the stand of this is how I am doing it. And during this process, I'm trying to craft my own unique message by just making it. I am the unique message. My journey is the unique message and positioning. I know that I could really go down the rabbit hole, and there is so many ways that we can overcomplicate this process, but you don't need to have it all figured out. I want you to start taking action and know that you can figure it out as you go. You can manufacture your own story. You can create the success that you want to see, and that is what I'm doing. And my whole goal right now is to do it so that you know that it is possible. That's it for today. Happy marketing.